Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to properly hide and show sections in Elementor, including all platforms like tablets, as well as desktop. So in this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step on how to change this toggle and make certain sections within your website only visible to your selected platforms. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and as an example, let's pretend that we don't want this video or this container specifically to be shown to people on the tablet. So we want, for some reason, let's pretend that we want to make it exclusive to people on desktop and mobile. We can absolutely do so, but the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your WordPress website as an administrator. So as you can see, it's what I have here, and this is what the dashboard looks like. And the idea here is we want to get access to the site editor. So there are a couple ways to get there. You can simply click on Edit Site under Quick Links, or click on Appearance, or I should say hover over Appearance and selecting Editor, or click on Plugins and selecting Elementor, or better yet, if you want to edit a specific page, you can click on All Pages like so, and selecting the page that you want to edit. So you can do so by clicking on Toggle menu and click on Edit, as you can see. So all that is great, and this will take you to Elementor's site builder or text editor. As you can see, it's this one here. And like I said, we're going to pretend that we want to make this video only exclusive to people on desktop and mobile. So to do so, you want to select this container right here. I just want to make sure that I don't misclick it by accident. So it's this one. Okay, so you can choose to use the navigator tab right here, so you don't accidentally click on the video like I did. So when you click on video, like so, you can change the visibility of this by going to the advanced tab, and you'll see that there's a tab that says responsive. So when we click on responsive, you can see automatically that this section right here, or this segment or container, is shown to people on desktop, tablet, and mobile. So if we want to modify it and we want to only make it available for people on desktop and mobile, then all we have to do is click on this toggle, and this would hide it for from people using a tablet. And the same goes for people on mobile. If we want to hide it from mobile people, you can do so by clicking on this toggle right here. And to show you guys what I mean, because I'm on desktop, if I were to hide it from desktop, you can see that it's grayed out. So this means that anyone who visits our website would not be able to see this video embed right here. And all you have to do is, once you've made your changes, hit update, save, and you guys are done. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you all for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.